Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today I've got this tenderloin steak filet mignon here. I guess y'all can see that. That was left over and it's my lunchtime, so hey, I'm going to fix it and eat it. And I'm going to cook it in the Instant Pot Duo Crisp plus air fryer. And I'm going to be using this little broiling rack that came with it. Now, I've never done this before, but I'm going to give it a try and we're going to see what it's like. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to salt and pepper it a little bit. I'm going to put some of this Grill Mates Montreal steak seasoning on it here. Okay, now I'm going to flip it over. Catch a lot of that till I can. If you touch the meat, you've got to clean your hands before you touch anything else. So now we're going to do the same thing to this side, of course. Okay, and then we'll rub that in just a little bit. Now we'll take these, stand it up here and take these ends and go around and try to catch all that stuff that I dropped on there that fell off the steak. We'll go around and round and round. See, you don't see much laying on the plate and you know that's about got it. Alright, now clean your hands again, of course. Now we'll put a little bit of this parquet squeeze on here. Just like that. Alright. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to come over to the Instant Pot. Now here's the new Instant Pot. If y'all have never seen one of these new Instant Pots, this is pretty neat. Back up a little bit here if we can. And now this is what they call their, either it's an air crisper basket or air fryer, whatever you want to call it. That's what it is. And you say, well, my Instant Pot's got a stainless steel pot. Well, mine did too, but I bought this one separate, put it in here, because I've just got so used to using a non-stick pot, I didn't want to use that stainless steel. So anyway, now I'll put this little air fryer or crisper basket down in there. Now here's the little rolling disc that I was telling you about that comes with this Instant Pot, the new Instant Pot. And you put it down there, and now this little basket here has got a little lip all the way around it. It just catches that basket. And that's not going to go down in there any further than that. And so that keeps it up next to your burner. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this beautiful piece of meat right here and put right there in the center of it. And you can tell we've got room for at least 3 of these in there, maybe 4. Okay. And now the next thing we're going to do, is we're going to grab the air fryer lid here. I know that looks strange to you if you hadn't ever seen one of these before. But anyway, that goes right on top here, goes straight down, goes into place. Now, I'm going to tell you what, now I'm not going to cook these for too long, because I cooked them on the grill the other night and they were so tender you could just about cut them with a fork. And so I'm hoping these come out just as well here, or this one does. So I'm going to put it on broil, and it comes up at 400 degrees for 8 minutes. And you know what? I think I'm going to try that. And then I'm going to hit the start button. Now, for some reason or other, this one goes around for a few minutes or a minute and a half or 2 minutes and sort of warms itself up. And so, I guess that's just a characteristic of the machine here. But it'll start in a minute and it'll get started going, so it'll be ready to cook. And once it starts going, it'll start counting down from that 8 minutes. So, and this thing is whisper quiet almost. I mean, it is really quiet. So, anyway, we'll be back in a minute or two to check on this good looking steak in here. Okay, now it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. Just for the heck of it, let's raise this up and see what the temperature is. And I want it to be between 100 and 135. I don't want it much doner than that, because that's gonna be pretty close right there. And this one has a ways to go. It's not even getting close yet. So we'll plug this back up and get her started again. Okay, now it's down under 10 seconds on this first 8 minutes here. Now I think what we're going to have to do is just take the top off, flip it over, and start it right back up again. Okay, there it says in, but the motor's still running a little bit. And it'll stop in just a second and I'll take the top off. Alright. Now there comes this little platform over here. I think I've showed y'all before. To set the top on, that keeps you from burning your counter or anything. Now, I'm just going to go ahead. I know it's nowhere near done from what I checked it a while ago. I'll take it and turn it over. I'll tell you what, right now though, it's not getting too far from it. Let's see, see if I can see a temperature reading here in the middle. That's a problem, you know, it's hard to hit just that middle like that. Okay, we're still in the 60-degree range, so it's got a ways to go. So we're going to put this top back on. Alright, now we're going to hit broil again. Now it says 15 minutes, we're going to drop it down to 8 minutes. Okay, and it's 400 degrees, so then we'll go hit start. Okay, there it goes again. Now we're going to keep an eye on it this time, because I really don't want this to be overcooked. Because as good as they were coming off the grill the other night, I want to see how close this one is to what that looked like. And I think it's going to be pretty close, to tell you the truth. Okay, now you can see it's down under a minute on this second 8 minutes, so I'd make a total of 16 minutes cooking time on broil at 400 degrees. And just, you can go ahead and set it up to 16 minutes to start with, and just make sure about 8 minutes you just go ahead and turn it over one time. And I think that'll solve all your problems, because this, last time I looked, this is just about perfect right here. But we're not going to know for sure until we cut into it and see what it looks like and tastes like. But it's not going to be as long as it has been. Okay, now we're coming up on just about 0 at the end right here. Now it takes a couple of seconds for that motor to stop running. Now if I explained to you before, this new Instant Pot comes with this little, I don't know what it is, but heat resistant little pad that you put this top on when you take it off, because it's extremely hot, of course. And you bring it over here and you just set it down on it, and that way you don't hurt your counter or anything else that's sitting on. Now we'll take this thermometer here and see what we can get. It's hard to hit just out in the middle of those things. Alright, that's 136. Ooh, that's rising on up, so I hope I didn't overcook this thing. So anyway, we're not cooking it anymore, that's for sure. Now the next thing we're going to do is take it out of this Instant Pot here. We'll put it on this plate. Alright, now everybody says you got to let that thing rest for about 5 minutes. Okay, we're going to do that. In the meantime, I'm going to take this little broiler rack out here with extreme caution because it's extremely warm. Hot. It's not warm, it's hot. And put it in the sink. Okay, now in the meantime, while this is resting over here, I'm going to take these Ore-Ida extra crispy fast food fries out, and I'm going to put them down in this Instant Pot crisper or air fryer basket here. Okay, I'm just going to take a few of this stuff them up down in here because nobody here but me. I ain't going to eat with so much. Try to beat with so big a pig. Okay, and so now I'm back to putting the, they're going to try to get away. Got him off the counter. And put your air fryer lid back on. Now I'm going to come over here and hit the air fry button. And I'm going to leave it at 400 and I'm going to run the time down to 8 minutes. And I'm going to hit start. Okay, and there it started up. Now by the time these things get done, this steak ought to be just about rested long enough. So we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now we're down under 10 seconds on these fries, so we're fixing to see what they look like, and then I'm going to cut into this great looking steak over here and see how they go together. Oh yeah, those look great right there, so let's get them out and put them on this plate with a steak over here. That look great together. That looks great together right there. Let's see what this steak looks like when you cut into it. Oh, that looks good right there, but if anything, it's more done than what I want it to be. That is really, really, really good. Let me try one more bite. Now look at it, see? Now this is really more of a medium well, and I really like it more of a medium rare. But a lot of people, well, I can eat this. I'm not having any problem eating this because I'm getting ready to do the rest of it. But this is really good right here. I'm not going to say it's as good as it was on the grill because I don't know if you're going to get a piece of meat as good as you can get it on the grill. Now sometimes you can get close, but it's hard to beat a fresh piece of beef out there on the grill. Now other meats you can come a whole lot closer than you can beef. But now, like I said, there is absolutely nothing wrong with this piece of meat right here. It's more like I say a medium well instead of a medium rare, and I like it medium rare. But I'm going to have no problem chewing down on this thing right here and getting rid of it. So I hope you enjoyed this little video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And I hope you come back and see me real soon and watch more of my videos. And if you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. We sure would appreciate it. And I really appreciate all you people who've been ordering stuff from our Amazon links. So until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. And goodbye.